10 SOL. 10. I put in 10 Sol, went to grab a coffee, and a bit later I had 19 Sol in my wallet. The bot did everything on its own. Let me show you how. Next Sniper, a Solana sniper that executes trades in 184 milliseconds. For context, you blink in about 300. This bot is faster than your blink. BullX, half a second. Photon, 400 milliseconds. Nex, under 200. Whoever gets in first makes the money. The real question is it actually true? We'll test that with a live deposit. What's under the hood? Token Scanner detects new listings in real time. Snipe on launch enters right when liquidity is added. Copy trading mirrors top wallets. One example showed plus 1,240% in a month. Limit orders, DCA, trailing take profit. A full P&L dashboard across all wallets. Now the important part, the question you're already asking yourself. Will they steal my wallet? No. The platform is non-custodial. Your keys never leave your device. AES 256 encryption, zero-knowledge architecture. Servers don't see your credentials. Contracts go through quarterly audits. MEF Shield via Github bundles. And AI rug pull detection, 15,000 scams prevented. What if their server goes down mid-trade? Your funds are in your wallet, not with the bot. If their servers go down, trades are cancelled. Uptime, 99.99% with 12 global nodes and auto failover. Pricing, basic, free, 1% fee. Pro, $50 per month, 0.5%, turbo nodes, MEF protection, 3-day trial. Elite, $200, 0.1%, dedicated nodes from 45 milliseconds, unlimited wallets, API. You can start with 0, and that matters. I opened the terminal, and now this is serious. Solana Terminal v3.1.7 feels like a Bloomberg terminal for degens. At the top, 4 cards: total profit, win rate, active bots, average execution. In the center, live network pulse, a table of new tokens with liquidity and risk score you can snipe in one click. At the bottom, system engine logs, a live console streaming everything in real time. On the right, sliders for buy amount, slippage, toggles for anti-rug, MEF protection, Github bundling, and the bot deploy button. Bot controls, this is where I got hooked. 3 presets, safe, balanced, degen. But you can customize everything. Snipe amount, slippage, take profit, stop loss, gas multiplier up to 3 times, Github priority fee up to 10 positions at once. Filters, honeypot detection. The bot simulates a sell before buying. Rug guard blocks tokens with mint authority. LP lock check, anti-MEF. Sell tax filter, whale tracking. AI features, AI scanner for pump probability, smart entry by blocks, trailing TP, auto reinvest, social AI, analyzes hype on Twitter and Telegram. DCA up to 5 rounds. Snipe speed, from 2 seconds after token creation up to 15 seconds in safer mode. Auto sell, from 5-minute scalps to 2-hour holds. Profitability, full analytics, P&L, best/worst snipe, ROI, equity curve, breakdown of wins, honeypots, and rugs. Alright, enough talking. You came to see it in action. Let's trade. Connecting wallet, I'll use Phantom. Let's go. The bot is running. The button turned red, it's pulsing. Everything is green. Mempool scanner is active, waiting for the first token. There it is. First token in the table. You see? Ticker, contract address, liquidity in Sol, and risk score. Bot. Green badge, notification pops up, 0.29 Sol invested. Fully automatic. Status detected. Now it's switched to analyzing. The bot is scanning the contract. Honeypot check, rug guard, dev wallet. Let's check the stats above. Active bots, 2 out of 15. Average execution updates, 146 milliseconds. Total profit is still 0. Win rate, waiting. And on the right, active positions. The position is live, P&L is ticking. Oh wow, see that? Red badge, honeypot. The bot simulated a sell before buying, realized it couldn't be sold, and blocked it. That's 0.1 sol saved from going to trash. Same with rug pull. The bot detects it and blocks it. And this one, skipped. Developer holds too much supply. The bot didn't enter. 3 tokens in a row. Trash, 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 and not a single cent spent. That's why filters matter. Status, sold. Logs show the sell, total profit updates. Win rate goes up. Ouch, that's a loss. Stop loss triggered. But that's normal. Trading always has losses. The key is the stop loss prevented a bigger one. Switching to profitability, moment of truth. 24 hours P&L plus 8.821 sol, about $746. Best snipe plus 0.42 sol. Worst snipe minus 0.207 sol. ROI plus 55%. The chart. Equity curve. Green line going up. A couple of dips, but the trend is clear. Total snipes, 168. Wins, 18. Losses, 11. Honeypots avoided, 1. Rugs dodged, 0. Win rate, 62%. Average profit per snipe, plus 0.304 sol. Volume traded, 16.028 sol. And at the bottom, recent closed trades. Every trade with ticker, entry amount, and P&L. Started with 10 sol to ended with 19 sol. Plus 55%. Look, I'm a skeptic. I've seen dozens of bots, but here's what got me. I literally did nothing. The bot scanned, filtered trash, entered trades, took profits, cut losses, all on its own. 1 honeypot avoided. No rugs today, but it would have caught them. 6 garbage tokens, filtered out by AI. Will it work like this every time? No. The market is the market. Some days are red. But having a tool with this speed, AI filtering, and automated risk management, that's an edge you simply can't replicate manually. Free plan, 0 risk to try. Link in the description. Now go check your prediction in the comments. Did you guess plus 55%? Closest one gets a shout out. Like, subscribe, see you.